All right, so I checked my spam folder, and at 8 p.m., came in later than I think other people. I did get the invite for the Tesla Model S Signature Edition here. This is 3 days after I just took delivery of my 2026 Model S Plaid. So here's the page that they send you. You can click on here and get some more information on some of the details. You get the gold Tesla badge, gold carbon ceramic brakes from the track pack. These look like the same Valerium wheels, signature plates with the floor illuminator right here for the Plaid. You get the matching garnet red door handles, so no black right here. That's interesting. Kind of call this the garnet and gold glow. Go FSU. I did go to Florida State, so this could be a cool car to add. You got the gold plaid on the seats. This is the white Alcantara sport seats. You got your signature 1 of 250 on the dash. Looks like the ambient lighting they just had lit up in gold, so you can probably change that color to whatever you want. The signature liftgate unique edition for right here. And down here you get these signature key fobs that show red, black, carbon with a cool box. That's it. You don't get to choose anything. It comes with the Lux package. Shows your cash 159 or finance. And then down here you can order now, due today, non-refundable, $2,500 if I want to do this. Wow, I got some thinking to do here. So there you go. Here's the actual invite and website for the Model S Signature.